Can you believe it? No rain. Bill Goudy checking in. Yep, with the Wild West. Big Bad Brad. And we're out trying to catch us some fish. Listen to little Leonard on the radio. River's at flood stage, so I don't know if we're gonna have any success or not, but we'll give her a try. Oh, just a little pan fryer. There, get him over the boat. Yeah. You want some shoes?
No, but I'll take a shirt or something. Or a rag.
A little flathead, isn't it? Oh yeah, nice little flathead. Yeah, look at that. I like them flatheads. Yeah, got a little abrasion, probably getting ready for spawn. Nice.
I'm making him look bigger than what he is, probably. I'm just taking my time. I got this line. I don't know what kind of line's on it. It's not threaded or nothing. It's like it turns sideways.
Looks like a flathead, don't it? Nice little flathead. We're in a little pocket of flatheads here.
That's all right with me.
Oh, look at that. Look how you hooked him too. That's good. That's good. Perfect. All right, now it's my turn.
Third one ever.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Go. Little cat. A pan fryer. All right.
I ripped him out of water.
Nice hook set.
Yep. All fell over.
What do you got? A little pan fryer? Little pan fryer. All right. Meal. My favorite, actually. Those are the best eaters, and they taste so darn good. It's all.
Nice fish, dude. A nice one. Oh, yes.
Nice. Another flathead, didn't it? Yeah, flathead.
Bigger than the one in there.
Fourth one.
Yeah, nice.
Ever.
Very nice. Look at the goodness. There's 3.5 pounds of fish. Cleaned fish right there. So I sent Big Bad Brad home with another 3.5 pounds of fish fillets. Yeah. The biggest fish today was 3.5 pounds, and we had a couple of 3-pounders. We got some drum, some bluegills, and let's see, a bass, largemouth bass. It was a keeper, and yeah, man, we had a good day fishing. We sure did. But I'm not going to cook them up tonight. I'm having chicken tonight. Chicken's on the menu. I'm not going to bring you along for that. It's been a long day and running out of daylight. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really do. Bill Goudy out.